I'll record. This is rising hill towards Paris Hill. If this is not tornado been down here, then yeah.
We don't know what.
The hell has been down on this road.
Telephone poles have all been ripped down.
Go to the side and park.
I'll let this truck through.
Let's flash them.
Let him pass. Trees have just been completely flattened. Oh, he's waving me through. Okay. I don't know what the hell happened here. Complete destruction.
Someone's house.
I just smell pine. This is terrible. Trees ripped up. Up here it's even worse. Poles snapped in half, like something just like a T-Rex came running through here. Completely decimated everything.
Just drive.
I can't when there's cars in the way. And this is where we believe the tornado may have come through. Is anyone coming?
No, I don't see anyone.
Completely snapped this pole in half. Look at these trees bent. Right over.
Done. Let's go.